Wow. Blake Cousins here, breaking news, third phase of moon, heading into a thunderstorm, looking for UFO activity. This is going to be quite amazing. Hang on for the ride. Wow, this is real time, close. I think over 200 strikes within the past 10 minutes or so. We're going on location. We're going to get some shots. Take a look around, Brent. Another thunder strike. We're gonna get to the Pink Church. It's known as the Pink Church. A lot of UFO activities been sighted here. We've witnessed lots of UFOs here in the past. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna see if we could get some UFOs, as well as incredible lightning strikes on video. It's coming down, cats and dogs. Let's do this.